Hi, my name is Joyti Vasudev and I'm a consultant orthodontist with a special interest in sleep apnea therapy at Angle House, Ealing. Sleep apnea is often undiagnosed and is a relatively common condition whereby the muscles of the throat relax and narrow the airway during sleep. This often results in interrupted breathing. So who's at risk of obstructive sleep apnea? Well, those individuals who are overweight and have a large neck circumference, being male, and consuming too much alcohol. Having said that, any age group can be affected. So some of the symptoms affecting individuals with obstructive sleep apnea include daytime sleepiness, chronic fatigue, memory loss, and falling asleep behind the wheel when driving. Some of the signs to look out for in a person suffering from sleep apnea includes loud snoring, noisy breathing, and episodes where they completely stop breathing altogether. This often results in a lack of oxygen to the brain, which triggers them to wake up during a deep sleep. Before treatment is provided, a diagnosis is required to confirm sleep apnea. This is often undertaken by a sleep physician who will determine not only the severity of the condition, but the suitability for eventual treatment. Thankfully, obstructive sleep apnea is a treatable condition, and following diagnosis, there are a variety of options available to the patient. Firstly, lifestyle changes. Significantly reducing your alcohol consumption and reducing weight can all greatly assist in managing obstructive sleep apnea. Secondly, continuous positive airway pressure, which is the gold standard treatment for sleep apnea. Thirdly, intraoral appliances, mandibular advancement splints, which can help posture your jaw forward to assist in symptoms. And fourthly, surgery. Following the fit of your appliance, the orthodontist will review you in approximately 3 months' time. If there is no resolution of your symptoms, the orthodontist can redirect you to alternative methods of therapy. So if you've been told by your partner that you snore loudly or you suffer from daytime sleepiness, book in for a consultation. We look forward to seeing you at Angle House, where we strive for excellence in everything we do and serve our community in every way we can.